Hello everyone, it's Sean. It's Wednesday, November 29th, and I'm actually doing some work on Voyager. I just put on decal number 43, which is right there, and I'm about to put on number 18, which is supposed to go on top of the torpedo launchers, here and here. And they're little squares well, actually little rectangles. See? There you go, you can see them now. So they should show up. We'll find out. I'll be back with the results. Alright, you can see managed to get number 18 on. I know the shadows there. You see? But they're so small there comes a point where it's somewhat problematic or counterproductive. Like you see number 7 there, 16, now 15. 15 are just tiny black dots. So I'm going to show you the Stadler marker, how I can duplicate the appearance of 15. Okay, so I have the Stadler marker here. I'm going to put the camera up on the tripod and I'll show you how it goes. Alright, so you've got the camera, you've got the model, and it looks darker on the camera than it does, well, only on the right side of the screen film. The left side of the screen film, more in this area, is more the proper color, the bluish green. Here it looks almost like a dark battleship gray. That's just the filter of the screen itself. Okay, so number 15. Oh, sorry, not 15, 51. Okay, so the first dot is up here, right down near the bottom, right near here. So you have to go right near the bottom, right like that. Okay, so that's 1. Then you have 2 on the gray nacelle panel. Oh, I see, 51 times 5. Okay, give me a minute here. Where's the next one? Well, it's so hard to see. I know, I can tell that. But you can see the little dots where they belong. So let's see here. One goes down and over by a window. Dot. There. I know it's very hard to see, but it is there. One goes near the hinge. Oh, wait, I forgot to color those hinges dark, didn't I? Ah, well, you can still see where it is. Okay, down here, right about there. Down one more, so there. And down there. Good. Okay. Then you have it near the hinges. Okay, so front corner, dot. One dot here, and one dot in the back corner there. So you can see the general idea on the nacelle strut here. See those 3 little dots? So I do that on the smaller section. So rear right corner. Good. And then in the other section, again, rear right corners. 1, 2, 3. And you can see it beside the nacelle stripe, those 3 little dots. Ah, no, right there. See those 3 little dots? Right rear corner. Okay, so it's working. So I'm going to do the rest. I'll be back. All right. So I have done the black dots on the other section. You can see them at the bottom left there. Bottom left. Bottom right. Now that it's in the center of the screen, just in front of the transport emitter. So what I do now is I go into the decal guide and I just say, I color it pink as in detail painted. So that means that you didn't have to use the decal at all. And yet you still manage to account for the black dots in the section. And that's what I'll do with the 350 scale refit if I have to, or even the 537. You see? See all the pink dots that are there now? I mean, actually, now I have to go get the orange marker to reflect that I didn't need to use the decal. All right, I'm back. So what we have to do now is we have to account for decal 51 that we didn't use it, and that we used the marker instead. Oh, don't tell me there were 4 of them. There was 4? Oh, yes, there was 4. There's one more spot. I see it, because there are 4 sections. No, that didn't quite work out, but there. Here, just a little toothpick gets the marker off before it sets. There we go. And then you just put the marker into the correct section. There. Good. Good, good, good. All right. So that is that. All right. I think what I'm going to try to work on now is get the central docking port in place. See that? 63. So that means I'm going to have to put Voyager back up on its stand, which I have right here. Set it like, there we go. Got the microsol ready to put the decal in place. So just have to sort through the bag to find it. Oh, well, that's not going to be too difficult, actually. I have it. Right on there, see? Good. So I'll apply the first one. We'll see how it goes. All right, you can see the docking port here. If I hold it with the grippers, you can get close, and you should be able to see Voyager and NCC 74656, so we know that's the right way around. And just apply the microsol to the docking port area, which is right here. And of course you have to get it on both sides because you want to make sure. All right, so it's right beside 64. And there'll be a few other decals to put on, like 61, 62, and number 4, etc. But I want to start with this, just the main dock, because it's a very obvious decal. That's the point. That's why I want to do it now. Oh, gotta turn that around now. Here we go. There. Okay. Yeah, sure, why not? Put something on camera and see how it goes. Let's angle the camera a bit so that the ship is in view. And it's zoomed in a bit on that section. So I've got the decal. Let's see how we do here. It's right side up, that's good. Toothpick. And hey, that's about dead center. That's I think that's pretty good. Let's just bring it closer a bit. Oh, there we go. Gotta fix that a little bit. Ah, I gotta slide. Gotta slide. Okay, here we go. Gotta slide even more. Ah, there we go. That's getting better. There we go. Here we are. Oh, oh, oh. Slide it over. Come on. There. There we go. All right. Pat it dry. And then have to adjust it a bit. Okay. And then the microsole, of course, to solidify it in place, because that will help it suck down into the crevice and everything. There we go. See? You can get it to focus. Take the picture. There. So that's all I'm going to do tonight. Don't want to try anything more in case it messes up. So I'll see you later.